Little shadow, keeping an eye on her boyfriend. Always around him, she's very vocal. She's giving hard time to all other cats except His Majesty. She obsessed with him. And he doesn't care about anyone, only himself. He takes food from other cats, and Ross, he's just trying to survive. I never witnessed him being mean to other cats. It's always the other way around. It's cold, it's windy, and it's 5 o'clock in the morning. And I'm staying outside because otherwise, sad face, the gangster, will take food from other cats. And my dear Melgus, watching inside. He's not done. He will be waiting under the table for more food. And you just eat and ignore him, okay? I'll be back.